Hello everyone. Today we are going to walk you through how to easily upload a purchase by using a picture of your invoice. This method is super convenient. If you don't have a CSV file, just capture a clear picture of the invoice and the system will automatically fetch all the details. Remember, this option is available on the mobile app. So open the eVitalRx mobile application. From the dashboard page, at the bottom, tap on the purchase section. Choose the distributor you are purchasing from. You will see an option to upload a picture of the invoice. Next, enter the bill number, the number of items, and the total amount for that particular bill. Below that, click on the upload invoice image, either from camera or gallery. So you can upload the picture just like this. And while uploading, make sure to crop the invoice image, focus on the medicine details only, just like I'm doing. Capture just that middle section so that system can read it clearly. After that, click the submit button to upload that image. You will see a confirmation that the image was successfully uploaded. After uploading, you will get a notification on the both mobile application and web. And after that, need to go to the web version and open the purchase listing page. So here you can see the notification is came, purchase draft created successfully. Now we are here at the web version and you can see the notification is already came. Now go to the purchase listing page and here you can see the draft is already created. Click on the draft and the mismatch is detected. There is a mismatch between the inputs we have provided and the data extracted from the image. You can either delete the draft from here and upload the invoice image again, or you can confirm and review the items yourself. I'm selecting yes, confirm. The system will automatically fetch purchase details from the invoice image. However, since image may contain handwritten notes or inconsistent formats, so 100% accuracy is not guaranteed. Now, carefully verifying everything like check all the items, quantities, discount, and GST. Ensure they match. If anything is mismatched or missing, you can manually add or correct them. Once everything is accurate, save the bill. That's it. Using the purchase by picture method, you can easily and quickly add purchases. But remember to double check for accuracy. Thanks for watching.